Alright guys, hey guys, so today we're going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator. Now, what we're going to do here, so I've got 2 bees. What one of my quests is, got Dandelion D, so let's go collect some pollen from the Dandelion field. Alright, Dandelion, there's a leaf over here, so I'm going to go try and collect the item from here. Oh, nice, I got a treat, that's good. Oh, another treat. Let's see if I can get this here. Alright, okay. I have completed my quest, which is nice. Oh, my. So let's go turn this into the black bear. Get his new quest. Collect 500 pollen. I think I saw an item up here. So I'm gonna go get it from here. Yeah, there's an item here. I don't know what this item is. Hold on. Oh, it's like a honey thing. I'm gonna use it. See what happens. Oh, just convert to your honey. Your pollen to honey. Alright. So I'm going to go and buy a new tool. So I'm probably going to get a backpack. Alrighty. Oh, there's a big ant up there. Okay, I got my new backpack. Alright, so I think I'm gonna be a red hive, so I'm gonna go and grind over here. Oh no, that's. Alright, so we killed a ladybug, nice. Alright, got some honey. Alrighty, this is good. Getting honey, no problem. Anyway guys, I think that's going to be the end of today's videos, so thank you for watching.